Hello and welcome to the Presero training series. In this lesson, we will be learning about the three types of sites you can create in your Presero account. Log into your Presero admin URL with the master credentials you were provided in your welcome email. In order to see the sites and the different type of sites, you will see a separate option known as Sites. Click on it and you will see all of your sites you have created. Each type of site is indicated by a different sign. There are three types of sites that Presero supports. The control and capabilities of a site will vary based on the type of site you choose to create, a B2B, a B2C, or an informational website. A B2B site will be indicated by a men sign. A B2C site is indicated by a cart sign, and an informational website is indicated by informational sign. You will see if you go through the sites, the options for each type of sites will be different. Whereas if, let's say, if you go to the informational site, you will see less options. Whereas on the B2B, you will see some additional options. Let's take a deeper look of each type of site you have in your Presero. The very first is the B2C site. A B2C or a retail site is intended for use by the general public, and a login is only needed during the checkout or payment process. The site is marked with an icon of a retail storefront with a window awning. Your Presero plan determines how many of this type you can create. The next one is the B2B storefront or the customer portal. A B2B site will require the user to log in first and is intended for exclusive use of a large or regular customer, a print broker, or wholesale trade customers. This site is marked with an icon of a business person. Again, your Presero plan will determine how many of this type of site you can create. The last one is the informational website. Informational website is the one that does not have a shopping cart system, no e-commerce at all. This site is marked with an icon of an eye for information. This illustration shows the control for each type of site. As you can see, the informational site contains the basic website, web page, user, and email control available for all three types of sites. Both B2C and B2B sites contain extra control related to selling product and services. B2B sites contain extra control related to a customer's location, purchase order, and supervisory order approvals. This was all about the types of site available in your Presero account. Thank you for watching this video.